In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change animation in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change specific animations that you have equipped on your character and how to perform them. So as you can see, I'm able to do all sorts of animations here. So I'm going to be able to assign different animations to my character and do them inside of the game. These animations titled emotes can be attributed to your character customization page, and you can use them by typing /e. So in order to use these animations in Blox Fruits or any other experience, all that you have to do is equip them. I'm going to be teaching you how to do this in the Roblox PC launcher. You just have to go over to the avatar page. Keep in mind that you can also find these emotes or animations if you do this process through the website. In here, first, you can go over to Marketplace and then Animations, and in this category, you can purchase new animations. So you can use Robux to acquire these animations. You can see a preview at the right, and you will be able to equip them later. Some of these are going to be free, so you can just get them if you prefer. Now, once you have the specific animations that you want to use inside of Blox Fruits or any other experience, go to Customize and then Emotes. So in here, you will be able to equip 8 emotes. So equip them as you prefer. And once you have one of each emote assigned to these slots, it is going to be saved. So you can now go back inside of Blox Fruits or any other experience, join, and like I mentioned, to use these emotes, you just have to type /e. So once you load in, it doesn't matter if you are on Pirates or Marines, you just go in, and in chat, you type /e, and then you can type the name of the emote, or you can just do /e1, /e2, and so on. This is going to use the emote on that specific preset. So if you put this emote in number 2, then you can use it by typing /e2, or you just put a different number. I hope I was able to help you on how to change animation in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.